And it'll depend on how you're feeling today, of course, but it remains, there's a really come off the form, and you will stay with the tips.
Stop.